because I think this started with a small phone call, yeah, a very informal phone call. I still remember sometime December, Shubhra, I called you. Shubhra was driving that time. He mentioned you're talking to the founder of this company, yeah. And the intent was really not to go at this stage. Started with a small conversation about the bathroom renovation. But the experience which we started with, I never thought to go with any other company. So I told Shruti also that time. Because the experience was very at the personal level. And the whole journey. I think first time going with Ishita, I was lost, yeah. Going there and selecting the tiles. We were so tired. If I look back, I think that was a very great experience. Every stage it was helped by your team. Never felt that we are left alone. For all the decision making, be it money, be it selection, anything. ये काम कहीं और से भी हो सकता था किसी एक कारपेंटर को बुला के, but I think if I see this is more personal touch, more value addition, and every stage पे hand holding it. So thank you team, really great experience, and I certainly recommend anyone who has to do this, the home furnishing. One is home furnishing, but the experience, the journey, which Shubhra said at the starting of this. So I really liked it, loved it. It will remain forever. So I think it started with Tower 9 only. There was a work going on, 7th or 8th floor. 8th floor. So we happened to visit there. So when we entered, it was a different experience, and I really liked the structured approach. हर एक रूम के बाहर एक प्लान लगा हुआ था कि how the room will look like, और कारपेंटर अपना काम कर रहे थे. So that's where first time I heard about SCD. I was not aware about SCD. Then I started looking into more details like through Google and all. And हमेशा सोचता था कि कॉल करूँ, सैटरडे कॉल करता हूँ पर हो ही नहीं पा रहा था. Then one Saturday I called you, and then that's where we started, this journey. उस समय I think you mentioned to come to SCD and experience the design center. That time also I was thinking that मुझे bathroom renovation करना है. Why should I really think of all these things? But then I think when I spoke to you, you really gave a very good insights कि शांति निकेतन में काफ़ी टाइम हो रहा है अभी, मीन्स अभी नहीं करोगे, कभी ना कभी करना होगा. ये 10 साल हो गए, 10-12 साल हो गए. नाउ द प्रॉपर्टी इज एजिंग, इट हैज़ इट्स ओन चैलेंजेस. अभी आप कर रहे हो बाथरूम का, तो बाथरूम यू गो अहेड, बट लेट द टीम कम फॉर इंस्पेक्शन. एंड व्हेन इशिता, लक्ष्मण एंड आई फॉरगॉट द अदर Pooja, 3 of them came here for inspection, and then they gave their analysis. And we were also discussing, how much should be the budget, because I never had thought about that. We'll be going with such entire interiors. फिर वहाँ से ये journey शुरू हुई, and this is where we are now. I think that time and this time. So first visit was really bouncer to me, because इतनी सारी चीज़ें हैं वहाँ पर. Means I was not able to understand कि interiors में इतना सब कुछ होता है. It was all like kind of a engineer explaining a non-engineer about everything. So that was the experience which I had. And going back home, I told Manju that this is so minute details it involves. Everything which you have displayed there. The first visit was really bouncer. When I started coming frequently there 2-3 times, then I started getting hold of things. How the minute details have been looked into, and it changed my perception, complete perception about अगर घर बनाना है, तो you have to really visualize it. And home center gives that option. The design center जो है, it gives the option of feel of everything. जैसे वो पीछे का जो rosewood है, the idea came from there. Kitchen का जो है, I think it also was no brainer. यहाँ पे लगाया हुआ, it looks so beautiful. Let's really not spend any energy. Selection कर लीजिए. So all these small things really help there. If I show it to anyone, my parents or my brothers, I think
they will not
they
recognize.
would not believe. They would say that I have bought another house, and I'm not telling them the truth. So that's what the difference I would say. Means पहले it was means अभी जहाँ हम रहते हैं, so it's completely empty, semi-furnished. Now I think looking at this, I certainly see a complete change. You want to share?
जर्नी तो बहुत अच्छा रहा, और हमें नहीं लग रहा था कि जो हमारा डेट कमिट हुआ है वहाँ तक हो जाएगा करके. बट रियली हैट्स ऑफ टू यू गाइस कि हमारा पूरा टाइम पे आपने सब हैंड ओवर कर दिया, और सब बहुत अच्छा हुआ है.
आई थिंक इट वाज जब हमने शुरू किया तो यहाँ पर टेनेंट थे पहले, तो आई थिंक समवेयर February it started, yeah, February, and I was thinking चलो मार्च में we'll start the work and by mid में maximum हो जाएगा सब कुछ. But as the thing started progressing, Shruti had told us very initially, yeah, कि she always gets the feedback कि डिज़ाइन में काफ़ी टाइम लग जाता है. So we also experienced that. And then when it came to somewhere mid-April, I was thinking कि अब ये possibly जुलाई में चला जाएगा. And then Guru gave a confidence back, yeah, that not to worry, you will get it on time. क्योंकि वो रोड मैप में टाइमलाइन दिया था somewhere mid-July. एंड आई वॉज वरीड कि मिड जुलाई तो नहीं, मुझे लगता है कि जाके पीजी में हमको रहना होगा बिकॉज हमारा कॉन्ट्रैक्ट खत्म हो रहा है 30 जून को. सो बट गुरु गेव ऑल द एश्योरेंस, या सो दैट वाज सर्टेनली द एश्योरेंस एंड थिंग्स फॉलिंग इन लाइन. एंड जो फेजेस वाइज जो काम चल रहा था, बिकॉज बीच में तो मैं कभी ज़्यादा आया नहीं, बट आई थिंक वॉज गेटिंग लॉट्स ऑफ अप्रूवल्स ऑन द एंट्रीज ऑन माई गेट, या so that was giving me more confidence कि काम हो रहा है.
मुझे सब पसंद है, मतलब सब एकदम अलग तरीके में बहुत अच्छा लगता है, तो डिसाइड नहीं कर सकते.
नाइस, वो भी अच्छी बात.
I think she was behind us. She was keeping us on the toes कि चलो जाके देखना ये भी काम हो रहा है. So WhatsApp सारा वो चेक करती थी. And she was a reminder, yeah. तो
कि मैसेज आया
रह गया, वो रह गया है. गुरु सर ने ये भेजा है, लक्ष्मण अंकल ने ये भेजा है. So all she was following up with us. We were telling you focus on your school. So she was doing that and
she was like behind me, mama आपने रिप्लाई नहीं किया, मैसेज आया है इसमें रिप्लाई कर दीजिए जल्दी से.
Thank you for being there for our side.
Really.
I think I would say more than 90% for me, because you have to experience that, yeah, human-centric design, why the name comes, yeah. Because when I saw it first time, I was wondering human-centric design, and then I was going back to software design part, yeah, software development में जो होता है, yeah, जो अपना एक UI UX वाला बंदा करता है. So I was thinking from that perspective, there is some angle to it, but you have to experience that. So I see that name goes very well when the project gets completed, yeah, it's the entire journey. Means एक काफ़ी minute चीज़ों का ध्यान रखा जाता है. Now if you ask me, I think we used to have a lot of conversations with Ishita in the office. And she used to show a lot of details, yeah. मैं तो थक जाता था, मैं तो बैठ जाता था चेयर पर. She used to really do the selection. So I used to think कि इसमें इतना सारा details है, and that really goes back to the name, yeah, human-centric design, because every minute thing is taken care. So thank you very much, and I think thanks to your team, because I think now we look at the house and the जो slides हम compare करते हैं, I think it is वो dream था, and this is dream coming true, yeah. And thank you for this wonderful experience, yeah. From entering there, so it was always the excitement, yeah. जब गुरु last week he spoke to me कि Monday handover करते, so I was thinking कि handover यानी I have to come to office, I'll take the keys and come back here. That was my thinking. But he used to say कि बहुत सारे handover थे, so I was thinking कि keys देने में क्या handover है. Then Manjusha was telling me कि no, there would be some ceremony, and that's what I think Monday. Then I think we were looking forward कि चलो Monday there will be something very exciting. And
since morning, nice. Both of them were waiting for this.
They wanted to miss their school, तो हमने बताया नहीं शाम को है, you go to school, come back.
And you made our day also, I think. Very,
no, I think thank you. This is worth experiencing. I think I would certainly recommend anyone, everyone, not only in Bangalore, across India, if they want to really explore, do to give a try to experience.